A Wisconsin technology company is helping get that facility at the fairgrounds up and running.
As Tom Durian reports, Verona-based Epic Systems is on the front lines of the fight with healthcare workers.
The major healthcare providers here in Milwaukee use Epic Systems for their medical records, but now the company is expanding its capabilities in the fight against COVID-19.
Keeping those folks safe and helping everybody weather this crisis is what we're all about.
For decades, Epic Systems has been a central Wisconsin company. The billion-dollar healthcare software giant handles more than 50% of hospital patients' information in the U.S. Now they are testing the capacity of their systems already in place to help in the fight against the coronavirus. One example is the drive-through testing sites across the area.
Just with an internet connection, they can get access to the right patient information. They can quickly set up a tent hospital or a drive-through lab.
Epic sets up technology for field hospitals like those in New York and Chicago, and soon at State Fair Park.
That treats those new locations like a new tower they've built. Or just a new set of beds they've added to their own facilities.
Working with Wisconsin's coronavirus task force, Epic is also using data analytics to track the virus.
You can share information to identify outbreaks, to identify availability, and plan ahead for a potential surge in patients.
When the pandemic slows, the information can also be used in what is likely ahead for Americans: contact tracing, or knowing who has the virus and who they interact with.
Continuously developing tools to identify patients at risk, patients who've been tested, using that to drive public health trends, public surveillance, and monitoring.
Another of their systems that's seen an increase: telehealth.
Having these tools in place has allowed us to go from a small simmer of video visits almost overnight to a massive deployment of telehealth.
A global company working to combat coronavirus from Wisconsin's backyard. Tom Durian, TMJ4 News.